Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can update your kalilinux to 2019.4 version. Today I will show you two methods. If you're already a Kali user, how you can update it, and second I'll show you how you can install it on your virtual box. So let's get started. First would be updating Kali. If you're already a user, then just go to your Kali machine and open your terminal. I'll just open it. Open your terminal and write nano etc apt and then sources list, and then press enter. Open your Firefox, open the Kali page and just copy this. Let me just copy and open your terminal back, paste it here, press Ctrl X to exit, and then press Y and then enter, and just go back to your Kali website, copy this apt update. Let me copy this, open your terminal and just press paste it and hit enter, and your update will start. But I generally don't prefer this method because it takes lots of time. So let's move on to the Windows part. Just open the Windows machine and go to this website and open the website and click on the Kali 2019.4 version. I'll just skip the download because it's too big. In your virtual machine, press new, write the name. I'll write Kali 2019.4 and then select the type to Linux and then to Debian 64. Mine is 64, so I'll 64 choose 64. If it's 32, you choose 30. Now here you can choose your RAM according to yourself. Next, again next. Here give is disk space of 20 GB at least, else it will create problem. Next, and then next, and now it's done. Click on settings. Let me just open it. Now in here, just go to storage and check the floppy. Now just go to storage and press on that CD button and select the ISO file from here. I'll just select it. Okay, then open and okay, and that's pretty much done. Now select your version and start the Kali and start it. Open. Yeah, there you go. Now just use your arrow keys and go to graphical interface and press enter. Again, it's taking some time. We'll just wait for it to open. Press enter, select your language, press enter, and then select your location. I'll choose India and then press enter again for the keyboard one, and it'll start downloading the stuffs and files. Let it give some time. Now here you can enter the name. Enter, continue. I'll just now here you can enter your password, and you need to remember this password obviously. I'll just continue. Setting up this. It will take some time. Now press enter, enter, and again enter, and again enter. Here we'll choose yes, and now this will take some time, so I'm gonna skip this part. So see you after the download. Yes, and then choose yes for the package manager, and then again press enter, continue, just leave it blank and continue, press enter. Again this is gonna take some time. I'll skip it again. Then again this will take some time. I'm gonna skip it, press yes and continue, press enter, and choose the second option and press enter, and this again will take some time, so I'm gonna skip it. Now you'll have Kali installed in your machine. Press continue and it will restart the machine. There you go. You just need to leave it. You don't have to type anything or write anything. Just need to leave it as it is. It's a pretty cool logo, nice. It's awesome. Now enter the username, that is root, and the password that you entered back, and press enter. Here comes all the files. Okay, just let me check some properties. This is pretty cool, and if you enter press this logo, you'll get all your tools in here. Okay, now let me check the. Just open the terminal. Yeah, and just write cat etc OS release and present, and here you can see it's 2019.4 version. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video if you like it, subscribe and share and support the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.